Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny and I'm so glad you joined me for today's video. We have an exciting video today and we're going to look at 3 homes in different parishes of Jamaica. One is quite affordable, so I'm super excited to show you. Let's jump in. So the first home I want to show you guys is this one, listed for 17.2 million Jamaican dollars in the Breadnut Street, Greater Portmore area of St. Catherine. Now this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom property that sits on a lot size of 2,577 square feet. All right, again, we always get requests for Portmore homes, so I'm always glad to show them. Now this unit is a semi-detached unit, and what I like about it is that I think it has great curb appeal. Like, just looking at this home from the front, a lot of these homes that we're seeing, persons have such problems with just the appearance from the outside. Like, even just the out appearance, it has no curb appeal, it does not nice to look on. And this one is not bad, you know. As you can see, it's grilled. You do have like an area to dry your clothing and a small little drying yard and side yard area. So this one would be good for, you know, a family that's growing or extended family, right? So this one here, Portmore, 17.2 million Jamaican dollars, and I expect this one to go really quickly. I always get so many requests for Portmore. A lot of persons want to move to Portmore, and there are also persons who are desiring now to move from Spanish Town to Portmore, so they want to stay in that affordable area of St. Catherine, but a few persons want to move out of Spanish Town and just go into that Portmore area. So if you're interested in this one, you guys, the link and the number for the realtor will be in the description box down below. All right, the next home I want to show you guys is this one, listed for 10.5 million Jamaican dollars, and it's located in Winchester Estate, Green Island, Hanover. Now this is a 1-bedroom studio home, 1 bath, and it sits on a 3,211 square foot lot. Now before I show any more of this video, I'm just going to show a little video of the handing over of these units originally in 2019, and then afterwards we can just speak more about the house itself and what's being offered today. All right, so that was the original, like one of those handing over videos from when the homes were first being handed over in 2019. All right, as you could see right there, they started off at just about $5 million, and now this one is being sold for 10.5 million Jamaican dollars. And as you can see, this one still looks, you know, it's 2019, so it's newer construction. The real selling point to these homes would be the fact that you have the land space to expand on. So think about the concept of, you know, similar to the NHG homes that I toured the other day, Catherine Estates, right? So the big thing is that you have the land to expand towards the back and to make it your own. So as you can see, it's quite, you know, open, and then just as how you see how they furnished it and styled it in the video, that's what you would do. The kitchen is very much bare minimum. Like, you will have to go in and do a lot with the kitchen, all right? But it is newer construction, and you do have that lot size, like the land space towards the back to expand. And it's quite, you know, to me it's, you know, a bit roomier and seems a bit larger as well than like the Catherine Estates. You do have your fans and your AC units already installed. It's grilled, and then yeah, this is it. So this one again is in Hanover, Winchester Estate, Green Island, Hanover. And you know, if you're unfamiliar with Hanover, Hanover is close to Negril in Westmoreland. It's also not far away from Montego Bay, so you know the airport is nearby, the resort town of Negril, and so forth. So Hanover, I always get questions about Hanover from a few persons, so you can check out that one, link in the description box if you're interested. Alright, so the last home I have to show you guys is this one on Marine Crescent, Edgewater, Portmore, and this one is listed for 15 million Jamaican dollars. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property that sits on a 5,445 square foot lot. As you can see, this home is fully walled, it's grilled, but this home is going to need some work, guys. So you'll see once we start looking on the inside. This one is going to definitely need some renovations. All right, so it's a project. So for all the persons who love the projects, the fixer-upper homes, this one is for you. All right. So as I said, yes, it is definitely one that needs some renovations, some updates, some fixing up. But is it in a terrible condition? No. All right, so you have land space, a yard space to the back. So you have a nice drying yard area there. You know, you have a little backyard space. And the property is close to shopping plazas, schools, banks, and everything that you would need and feel comfortable being close to. So yeah, this one is a definite work, you know, lots of work to be done. But with some TLC, you know, you get some nice renovations done on the inside, and then, you know, you start taking care of the yard, do some landscaping. This one would be a great one for a family. Now, if you're interested in this home, you're going to check the description box down below to get the contact information for the realtor and reach out to them. All right, guys? And that's it for all of the homes. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I would like for you guys to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Don't forget to follow me on all socials at Safe Haven. All right, and share this video with someone who's searching for a home. I have tons of videos coming all week. Hope you guys been loving the consistency. And until my next video, bye guys.